Before we get started, as always, check with your healthcare professional and make sure this or any supplements is right for you. 1,000 milligrams Liposomal CoQ10 heart and energy support that absorbs better? Let's find out. When it comes to heart health and energy production, CoQ10 is the real MPV, but not all forms absorb efficiently. This 1,000 milligram liposomal CoQ10 is designed for better absorption, helping your body actually use what you take. Packed with ubiquinol, the active antioxidant form of CoQ10, this non-GMO vegan-friendly supplement supports cardiovascular function, cellular energy, and overall wellness. The soft gels are easy to take, and unlike some CoQ10 formulas, there's no weird aftertaste. As with any supplement, it's best to check with your healthcare professional first. If you're looking for a high-absorption CoQ10 that delivers results, this one is worth a try. We give it 2 thumbs up and maybe an extra heartbeat of approval. So, looking for a CoQ10 supplement that actually absorbs well? Try this 1,000 milligram liposomal CoQ10 and support your heart and energy levels daily. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, we use every product so you don't have to.